How about you?
Yeah, I'm also done.
Yeah.
Please come.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to tell you one thing.
Okay.
ISKCON is celebrating Grand Janmashtami on 19th of August and in Whitefield.
Oh, where it is exactly?
It is in Inner Circle Playground.
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
and for the first time ISKCON is celebrating in Whitefield, and they have arranged many events like kids competitions, cultural programs, and many other fun-filled events.
Oh, kids will definitely enjoy.
Yeah, surely they will enjoy. And another unique thing is Cook for Krishna.
Okay, what is that Cook for Krishna?
Cook for Krishna is anyone can prepare sattvic food with love and devotion, and they can offer to the Lord.
Okay, so do we need to take care of anything?
Yeah, nothing much. Only thing is we have to prepare without onion, garlic, and with full love and devotion, and we can offer to the Lord.
Okay, so are you participating?
Yeah, definitely. I am going to participate in this event.
Okay, what are you planning to cook for the Lord?
I am planning to prepare rasgulla and chenapoda for the Lord. What about you?
I am also thinking to make some chole bhature and sweet gulab jamun for the Lord.
Okay.
Mama, I will also make fruit salad for Lord.
Yeah, sure. We'll also inform our neighbors.
Yeah, and I'll also ask others to join with us. Okay.
Yeah. So we from our apartment are going to prepare chappan bhogas for this grand Janmashtami, and it will be a great service. What about you?